What you got there?
A lion and 2 dinosaurs.
What's dinosaurs?
Spinosaurus and Carnotaurus.
Can I see one?
Sure. Wait, what are you doing?
Just looking.
I think you should give him back.
Maybe not.
Hey, come back.
Hey guys, what's going on?
I told this kid that he can have just one dinosaur, but instead he took all of them from me.
He took all your dinosaurs from you?
Yeah.
Okay. Why'd you take all of his dinosaurs from him?
I just wanted to see him.
Okay, well, you know, it's not very nice, right?
Yeah.
So he let you see one, which is very nice of Landon to let you see one dinosaur, but then to take all of them that's not very nice.
True.
So, you know, just having the one dinosaur is awesome. That's, you guys are sharing, and you know, it's really cool. But just to take the other 2 from him that's not very nice at all. So that's like being a bully.
I'll just look at one then.
So, okay. Are you happy with that, Landon?
Yep.
Okay. Well, thanks, guys.
No problem. Sorry.
Thank you.